HBQ-225G electric vehicle wire harness processing machine. It can realize the functions of stripping, mesh cutting, mesh turning, and mesh brushing of electric vehicle wire harnesses. Contact type triggering. 2 hand start buttons. Strip the outer insulation. Cut the shielding mesh. Brush the shielding mesh. Cut the mesh for the second time. Turn and brush the shielding mesh. Strip the inner insulation. Safety grating ensures operational safety.